I don't want to lose anymore until I figure this out and become consistently profitable. Yeah, that's right. I wasn't joking. By the way, my name is Ben. I'm from Hong Kong. As I said, I've been trading since I was 18, and after almost 4 years, I'm still not yet profitable. And now I'm making the biggest change of my life. I'll be documenting my every single step properly until I become consistently profitable. So if you have ever blown an account, reference traded, strategy hook like me, just stick around. It's gonna be my real journey. So no filters, no fake wins. Over 4 years of trading, I've tried tons of strategies: scalping, swing trading, indicators, and price action. I kept jumping because nothing stuck when losses hit it. I actually know my biggest problem: no discipline, reference trading after losses, no journaling. So I never learned from mistake. And I realized that it's 80% mindset and consistency, 20% of strategies. So I'm forcing myself to fix it by going public. This account is gonna be my accountability. So I'll be showing my wins, losses, emotions, everything. If I can turn it around, maybe it helps you too. Before I introduce my trading strategies, I actually learned these strategies from Alex G's. Just to clarify, I didn't pay to join any of his boot camps or online courses, but he is one of my favorite traders on YouTube. I admire him a lot. With that being said, let me introduce my trading strategies and trading rules. Let's go to the chart. So now let me introduce my trading strategies. So first I'll be using 4-hour, daily, and weekly time frame to check with the market trend to see whether it's bullish or bearish. I need at minimum of 2 time frames in sync. I need a minimum of 2 time frames in sync, meaning that if weekly is bullish, then daily is gonna be bullish as well, or the daily is bullish, then 4-hour is gonna be bullish as well. So I need a minimum of 2 time frame in sync. I'll enter the trade with lower time frame, such as 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour, or even 30 minutes. And then I'll be using 50 EMA and psychological level and volume profile. So 50 EMA and psychological level and volume profile is gonna be my confluence of checking my area of interest, whether my area of interest is strong enough. So my area of interest, I'll be drawing support and resistance on the charts after I identify the market trend, whether it is bullish or bearish, and then I will draw a zone. I will draw a support zone or resistance zone on chart. It's gonna be my area of interest, and then I'll be using 50 EMA and psychological level or volume profile as confluence to check whether the area of interest is strong enough so that it can increase the probability of the trade. I will enter the trade with engulfing candle. So I'll be only enter the trade with bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing candle. Let's talk about the trading rules. So first, I will risk 2% per trade, and in order to prevent from reference trading, I can only do a maximum of 2 trades per week. I need at least 2.5 risk and reward ratio per trade. I can only trade after the beginning of London section. So just mentioned, I can only enter the trade with engulfing candle. So these are my trading rules. Let me show you an example. AUD CAD, you can see the weekly time frame is bullish and the daily time frame is bullish as well. And we look at the 4-hour, is bullish as well. So now we have 3 time frames in sync. And you look at the 4-hour, you can see the EMA is aligned with the area of interest, and we have a psychological level of 0.9 3000. And then if you check with the volume profile, you can see the highest volume is aligning with our area of interest. In this case, it's indicating my area of interest is strong enough, and this is exactly the neckline with inverse head and shoulder. This is the left, and head and right shoulder over here, and this is the leg line. I'm entering the trade with break and retest. You can see the price break the leg line and retesting the leg line. I enter the trade in 2 hour with this bullish engulfing candle, and in 2 hour you can see 50 EMA is aligning with the area of interest, and then we have a psychological level of 0.93 thousand. And you check the volume profile, the highest volume, this line aligning with my area of interest. So over here you can see all this confluence is gonna add my probability of winning this trade. After entering the trade with this bullish engulfing candle, you can see we are now targeting 5R in this trade. So this is my trading strategies and my trading rules. I'll be using these trading rules in the future until I get consistently profitable. And let's set a goal. My current balance is 2,000 USD, and my goal is to reach 5,000 USD. So by the time I reach 5,000 USD, I consider myself as a consistently profitable trader. So if you like trading as well and still being unprofitable, please like the video and click the subscription button. I'll be showing my journey of getting profitable.